Yeah, it's a great thing to see you both.
Thank you. Same here. Looks like beautiful weather in India. Where are you, may I ask? Where in India are you located?
I'm in northern part of India, and
Okay.
it's called Gurgaon. And now this is evening time, and rainy season on, so it's getting dark a little bit. And I'm sitting just next to my balcony, so it's a beautiful view outside.
Beautiful, beautiful. Love the trees, love the view. You are very lucky woman, I must say. But I'm taking over the conversation. Sorry, Alex, you lead us the way. What would you like to tell us?
Okay. Thank you very much for your acceptance and readiness, and most of all, willingness to collaborate. And what I would like to have, please correct me because it's just a rough idea. Each of us would introduce yourself and probably would like to give us some kind of draft or some kind of plan. What are we going to do? Let's start with me. Is it okay?
Right.
Great, yes.
So, I am a manager of the School of English. It's very small private courses. We teach English, French, German and Russian. Next to me is one of our teachers. We don't have many, but we have probably from time to time from 5 to 8 teachers, depending on the demands, how people are in need of us. And what I would like to have, it's some kind of general project between different cultures, different backgrounds, because what do we need English? We need English to look behind our barriers, behind our geographical barriers, and to communicate with people with different origins and different backgrounds, and expand our views, expand our ideas. And probably, personally, I would like to build some kind of structure. Okay, that's what I would like to have, but it's general ideas. How would we fulfill the ideas with something real? So, Archana, probably it's to you. What do you would like to have?
Okay, that's great, Mr. Alex, that you are open to collaboration. Now, what my view was, why I wanted to introduce this project into my school was to make my students global citizens. They need to know what is happening outside their own world. So I had planned 3 projects. Like I thought of 3 projects, which are like one on festivals, which is common all over the world. So we also celebrate festivals. You also have festivals. Why not our children discuss with each other, make some projects on that, and we have an interaction one-to-one. Like how is it in your country? What is the dress code during those festivals, and things like that related to festivals. And the other project was I thought of on monuments. So every country has beautiful monuments which they are proud of. So why not we have some projects related to monuments? And the third, which I thought was marketing strategies. Like they might be different from one country to another. So a detailed study on the marketing strategies by the students who are quite mature, and then they can do some research work on the marketing strategies and understand what happens in other countries, and make an analysis how it happens in their own country, so that they can also understand what happens around them. So these were the three projects which came to my mind, and I thought of extending them and sharing them with you so that you can give me your inputs. What do you say, Steve?
Okay.
Well, I appreciate what you have in mind. I think your ideas are wonderful. And where I can see from my perspective and the classes I will be teaching this upcoming semester, which is actually going to be a little bit away from what I normally teach in geography, a little bit more of history, or maybe the idea of social studies in those classes, and easily the background of festivals and monuments could easily be injected into the idea. The marketing strategies could be a little bit of a challenge for my students, but I like the idea and the perspectives. But at this point, I'm just kind of taking some notes and hearing what the project is. I can see some interaction and some collaboration amongst the countries, the cultures, the languages, etc. And it's pretty exciting, these initial ideas. So I appreciate being invited into this group, this forum this morning. Thank you.
Well,
Alex, thoughts on your side?
okay, so